Hello everyone. Welcome to a new session of the log search module in EventTracker version 9. This is a continuation of the previous video where we discussed how to build easy and simple Lucene queries to perform a log search. In this video, we will take some examples where you can build some complex Lucene queries to perform searches. Let us start by using wildcards. Wildcards can be used on individual terms or words using question mark to replace a single character and asterisk to replace 0 or more characters. So in case you are providing the search term source username :jo star, as an asterisk is added at the end of the username, it will fetch all the logs where the source username starts with jo. CIDR, or Classless Interdomain Routing, is a set of Internet Protocol standards that is used to create unique identifiers for networks and individual devices. The fields that are of IP type can also accept the matching criteria in the form of CIDR notation. Please note that the CIDR value must be enclosed in double quotes while performing the log search. For example, if you are providing the search term for the source IP address, it will fetch you all the logs in which the source IP address is in that CIDR range. Lucene queries can also be built by using Boolean operators such as AND, OR, and NOT to provide complex search criteria. For example, if you want to search for two values such as the application name and the source username, you can do that by building a Lucene query with AND. Providing the search term application name firefox.exe and the source username Michael, will fetch the logs matching this criteria. On the other hand, in case you want to search for any action that was denied, you can provide an OR operator where the search term can be as shown. You can also use the NOT operator in cases where you might want to fetch the source username or destination username which does not end with a specific character. So in this case, provide the Lucene query as shown and it will fetch all the logs in which the source username does not end with the dollar symbol. The same result can be achieved by using an exclamation instead of not. Complex Lucene queries can also be built using multiple Boolean operators. For example, if you want to search for the event source Microsoft Windows event log and also the event ID which is either 104 or 1102, you can provide the search term as shown, which will fetch the respective logs. Apart from being able to utilize the Lucene queries, you can perform log searches by using the custom criteria. You can do this by clicking the Add Search Criteria icon and selecting the appropriate interesting fields. In our example, let us look for the event IDs which are in the range of 3200 through to 3221. Or you might want to know the users for whom the permissions were changed for a specific duration. You also have the ability to add multiple criteria to your searches. For example, if you want to search any network connections that were open to external sites, with the exception of the system IP from where you're performing the search, select the EventTracker event ID 3513 which is triggered when any network connections are opened. Then you can add another search criteria to exclude the specified system IP. So now you should be familiar with the usage of complex Lucene queries. Alternatively, you can also utilize the custom criteria to perform a log search. Stay tuned for more information on the log search module in our next video. Thank you.